What's up, everyone? My name is Fox the Pirate Fox. I'm mad. So look what I did. There's a hole. This is a message to Gloria Diaz, or my grandmother, which is now Gloria Valles. She's here. Good. I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna throw them. You heard me. Hang on. Oh, this bullcrap. That is not the end. Sorry to see that. That's mad than my grandma's doing. Anybody, my grandfather. This is a toy. Yeah, if you guys want this, I don't know what the heck it is, but if any of my subscribers want it, they can have it.